Today I'll be showing you how to fix your speakers if they're like not working properly. So first of all, open up settings. Then what you want to do is go to sound on the system, and then select your like speaker or whatever you want to select. So as I selected, I just want to select this one, and then first of all put it up to like the highest sound quality, so on that one. Also, if so probably this is the main issue over here, enhance audio. So if this is on, turn it off, because you'll hear like some weird static sounds from your speakers. So turn that off if that's the issue, and then you can go out of here, and then everything is fine. If that was helpful, comment, like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.